the first thing that you should do when trying to fix your credit and handle collections is don't ignore the correspondence letters, okay? Because it is your right to make sure the information on your credit report is legitimate, okay? And if at any point you disagree with it, you can challenge it. And if they can't prove it, they must remove it from your credit report, all right? A lot of times people play themselves because they ignore those correspondence letters, and they're basically, through their silence, they're admitting guilt, okay? And that's how a lot of these debt collectors are able to put information on your credit report, because they followed the due diligence of sending it to you. However, you didn't follow through and respond. So through your silence, you're admitting guilt, basically giving them the authorization to report on your credit report. And the next thing you know, your credit score drops 30, 40 points because you ignored the correspondence letter, okay? I'm pretty sure a lot of you who are watching this video have fallen victim to that, and you probably didn't realize that it was real simple to avoid that from hitting your credit report if you just would have responded to that correspondence letter, okay? So that's the first thing that you want to do. You always want to respond to the correspondence letters, okay? Never ignore those. I'm pretty sure you have a junk drawer, and in that junk drawer, you have probably 5 to 10 letters from debt collectors saying you got 30 days to respond. The clock is ticking. Tick tock.